Hi, my name is Tyree, and I would like to thank you guys for coming to this discussion today. And we're gonna have lots of fun answering these questions. Let's talk about food. What types of foods do you think are healthy?
Apples and watermelon. Spinach. Cabbages and broccoli. Lettuce and carrots.
Tomatoes and pickles.
Can you find these foods in your neighborhood or where you shop?
Yeah, like Safeway and stuff. Yeah, in Safeway.
Yes, because I live by 7-Eleven.
Yes, Safeway. Yes, because I live next to a store.
What types of foods are unhealthy?
Hot Cheetos.
Takis.
Potato chips. Twinkies, man. Pizza.
Where do people in your neighborhood shop for groceries? How far away is it?
People from my neighborhood shop at Safeway. It's only about maybe mile, half a mile. Safeway, and it's not far. It's just like probably like a mile to Safeway, and probably a couple of blocks.
Albertsons are probably about a mile and a half.
Safeway, 2 blocks.
Where do you go to find snacks? Where is it?
Dollar Tree.
Corner stores.
Corner stores, Kmart, basically anywhere. 7-Eleven.
If you could have more healthy foods at your grocery store, what would they be?
It would be grapes and strawberries. Some fruit, some vegetables like granola bars, steamed carrots, and peaches.
Anything you will find at a farm.
Margarine. No, how do you say that? Yeah, margarines. I don't know how to say it, I'm sorry. Tangerines. Yeah, thanks.
Now let's talk about tobacco products. Do you know people who smoke?
Yeah, I do. Like, I'm trying to get my mom off of smoking and stuff, and my dad and stuff.
I know a couple people in my family.
Yes.
Do you know what secondhand smoke is?
Yes, secondhand smoke is when someone is smoking and you're around it inhaling the smoke. Yeah, I do. Like when, just like he said, when you're just standing around them and they blow it into your face or something.
It's when you inhale smoke when there's people around you smoking.
Yes, inhaling smoke. Yes, you're just around where the smoke is.
Do you or your friends smoke?
No, I don't. I don't actually know of my friends. I don't even know what they're doing. My dad and my stepmom do, and I don't.
I don't smoke 'cause I'm a good boy.
I don't smoke, but my family does. No and yes.
How often are you exposed to secondhand smoke?
3 to 4 times a week. Like, maybe once or twice a month. Week. Once or twice, like, every day. Once or twice a week.
Once or twice a day.
Do you think that tobacco use and smoke affects your health?
Yes, because it can kill your liver.
Yes, because it can kill you. And you'll end up with a hole in your neck. Yes, because it can give you lung cancer. Yeah, it could, like, damage your lungs and stuff.
Where do people go to buy tobacco items like cigarettes or chew?
My dad goes to this cigarette shop called War Pony. Corner stores and stuff. J&B's.
Any store that sells like candy and stuff.
7-Eleven.
Let's talk about how you get around in the community. How do you usually get to school during the school year?
Walking, car, and riding my bike. Mostly walk, but I'm trying to get my mom to let me ride. Mostly walk, but same thing with him, but ride a bike.
Taking the bus.
I walk or ride a bike.
Do you go to public parks? Which ones? And how do you get there?
Metro Park, walk or ride. Cloverdale, Wabado Park, Portland, Sheridan, and ride.
Sheridan Park or McKinley Park. Or Sheridan or McKinley, and then bike or car.
I used to go to this Metro Park thing, and I usually walk or ride. I used to go to this park called Cloverdale, and I live right across the street from it.
If you go to the grocery store, how do you usually get there?
I go to Safeway and ride a bike.
I usually walk because I live right next to a corner store.
Ride in a car.
Drive in a car.
Walk or rollerblade.
What about appointments, like going to the doctor or dentist? How do you get there?
Get a ride.
Get a ride because it's usually really far.
Buy the car.
Get a ride.
I get a ride.
Are you comfortable walking in your community? Why or why not?
Yes, I felt comfortable walking in my neighborhood.
Sometimes because I see people that always try to fight people.
Sometimes because I be hearing a lot on the news, like child molesters and stuff.
Sometimes because I see these white vans pull up, but not to me.
Sometimes because I hear gunshots in my neighborhood.
Do you own a bicycle? If so, do you also have and wear a helmet?
Yes, I do.
Yes and yes.
Yes and yes, it's over there.
Yes, I just got one, and yes, I just got one.
Yes.
We have just a few more questions for you about how you learn about health. Who or where do you find most information about how to be healthy?
My mom.
My sister.
My parents and internet.
My brother.
Do you have access to a computer at home? If so, do you visit websites that talk about health for youth?
Yes, I have a computer at home, and sometimes I don't really think about it.
Yes, I have a computer at home, but I really don't look up stuff. It don't really come to mind.
Yes, I have access to the computer at my home, but I don't really. It slips my mind when I look that up.
Yeah, at home, and I really don't really think about it either.
What would be a good way to share information about health that you would see and enjoy?
YouTube would be good.
The internet.
YouTube.
Google.
If you could change something about your community to be healthier, what would you change and why?
I would change the park so there would be like one more of everything.
I would just change my whole community and stuff, just to make it safer.
I would change my neighborhood so it can be safer.
I would change my neighborhood so I don't have to hear gunshots at night.
I would change my neighborhood by gang influence and how it affects other people.
Thank you for answering these questions. Have fun, but be safe.
Yeah, all right.
I was off.
Who's daddy and stop smoking?
Who's got the best?
DMX.